Hi there, I'm Hal, and I'm going to take you through this fundamental section alongside a few other more specialist instructors. Now, before we get started, yes, I am an AI avatar, but don't worry. Every word I say has been written by a group of real humans researching real human behavior. That's important because that's what this course is all about, helping you as a human thrive alongside AI. To get us started, let's talk about what AI is in a really practical sense. Sure, there are official definitions of it, but they don't really capture what it's like to work with AI. My favorite definition of AI at work is from Ethan Mollick. He's an associate professor from Wharton College who has described AI as like a hard-working intern that lies a bit. The reason I think this works well is because it captures a few things at the same time. First, you need to figure out how to get AI to work well as a member of your team. Second, you have to figure out how to fact-check it. And third, you can take advantage of how hard it works. But the definition does miss something pretty key. What it doesn't really capture is the way AI gets things right or wrong. We'll get into this in a little bit more detail, but for now, it's important to remember that AI works in terms of probability. If you ask AI a question, it's guessing what you mean, and when it's figuring out how to answer, it's guessing again, based on all the data at its disposal. That means if your question isn't really clear, AI might misunderstand it. Now, AI doesn't get irritated, so you can give it lots of context to make sure that it really does understand you. But it also means that when it answers, that guess might also be wrong. It can go wrong in a bunch of unpredictable ways, so a big part of your job is to quality control it. In this course, we'll be looking at different types of AI, but many of our exercises will be with one type, which these days is often called generative AI. That's what ChatGPT is, as well as Google's Gemini, and it's also cropping up as AI features in a lot of the software that you'll use every day. So for today's exercise, you'll pick which generative AI assistant you'll use and start to play with it. If your company doesn't allow you to use generative AI at work, that's okay. Every exercise can be performed using non-work scenarios.